Millcastle, Westercoast, Faymere, Edgemead, Leighton City, Leighton Stepford Road, Rocket Parade, Wharton Newton, Hampton Hargate, Benton Bridge, Benton, Coxley, Bowden, Angel Pass, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, and Stepford Central. The next station is North Shore. We will shortly be arriving at North Shore. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Starry Lock, West Wyvern, Millcastle, Westercoast, Faymere, Edgemead, Leighton City, Leighton Stepford Road, Rocket Parade, Wharton Newton, Hampton Hargate,
This is
Benton
North
Bridge,
Shore.
Benton,
This train is
Coxley,
for Stepford
Bowden,
Central.
Angel Pass,
The next station
St Helens
is
Bridge,
Starry
Stepford
Lock.
East, and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 6 coaches.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Stepford Central. The next station is Starry Lock.